All right, everybody, welcome to your psychology research methods assignment here. So if you choose this assignment, you will be looking at these seven different experiments. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So what you're going to do is look at the hypothesis and then choose the best type of research method that you feel would be required to complete that experiment or observation. So, like for number one here, adopted children who are given the option to find their birth mother have healthier, happier lives. Would that be an experiment? Would it be a survey? Or would it be a naturalistic observation? And make sure you explain why the other methods would not be good. So, let's say you chose, I don't know, experiment for this one. You would check off experiment or highlight experiment here, and then explain why you feel survey and naturalistic observation would not be good for that, okay? So number two, listening to recorded lectures while sleeping leads to better test grades the following day. Case study, longitudinal study, experiment. Number three, individuals with super memories where they can accurately remember details from everyday life that happened decades ago have average intelligence. Case study, experiment, twin study. Number four, classroom bullying increases on rainy days. Experiment, survey, naturalistic observation. Five, young children who are able to use self control and avoid doing something tempting when no adult is present go on to have higher SAT scores as teenagers. Experiment, longitudinal study, naturalistic observation. Six, loud noises cause aggression in hungry dogs. Experiment, case study, naturalistic observation. And last one but not least, seven, smoking marijuana before age 15 leads to addiction of stronger drugs. Case study, survey, experiment.